Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. A statement suggests that if you double the depth in liquid with uniform density, the absolute pressure will also double. What are your thoughts on this statement? Please explain. So the statement that absolute pressure doubles with the double depth in a constant density liquid is incorrect because it is the gauge pressure that doubles with the depth being doubled. We can dive a little bit deeper. Pun intended. Okay, so pressure due to depth in a liquid of constant density, the pressure due to the depth gauge pressure is directly proportional to the depth. This means that if you double the depth, you will double the gauge pressure. The atmospheric pressure is constant regardless of the depth in the liquid. It is the pressure exerted by the Earth's atmosphere at the surface of the liquid. I hope that clarifies why it is gauge pressure that doubles and not absolute pressure. Okay, before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. So you can do this by using the snipping tool. If you'd never used it before, you can follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of the snipping tool. So you can find the snipping tool icon on your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, type in Windows search and then type in snipping tool, or use the Windows search to type in snipping tool rather. Okay, once you open up snipping tool, you can click on the video option, then click on new. Left click, drag the rectangle and cover your YouTube screen. Then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, then hit the red square to stop recording, and then save your video. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question so they won't be able to find it. Leave a comment below if you got questions. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.